How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put a string of arrays in alphabetical order. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so for our example, we have a string array with the elements Zoe, Brad, Kyle, Chris, and Adam. Alright, so next we need to create a method to put our array in alphabetical order. So we're going to start with public static void put in alphabetical order. Then inside of our argument, we're going to have string array. Alright, next we're going to create a for loop. For int I, set that to 0. Then we're going to have I less than array dot length. Then we're going to increment I by 1. Inside our for loop, we're going to create another for loop, or a nested for loop, starting at int j, and we're going to set that to I plus 1. Then we're going to have j be less than array, then dot length. Then we're going to increment j by 1. In our second for loop, we're going to have an if statement that compares each element to the right of it. So we're going to have if array at I dot compare to, because they are strings, we're going to use the compare to method. So array I dot compare to array j is greater than 0. We're going to swap them. So we're going to swap those elements. So we're going to have string temp. We're going to set that to array at I. Then we're going to set array I to array at j. Then we're going to set array j temp. Alright, so next we're going to create a third for loop to print out our newly ordered string array. So for int I, set that to 0, I less than array dot length. Then we're going to increment I by 1. Then inside our for loop, we're going to have system out print array I, and then we're going to create a space between each element. Alright, next we're going to go to our main method and we're going to call on our method. So put in alphabetical order, and then we're going to pass in the array we created earlier. Now it's time to look at our array in alphabetical order. And here we go. We have Adam, Brad, Chris, Kyle, and Zoe. So that's how you put arrays in alphabetical order. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.